Is Ilya Tavkelize from Tbilisi here. We have been working for almost 15 years on generalized Möbius listing bodies, which were initiated by him in the late 90s, about the same time that I discovered my super formula, to speak. And then Paolo Ricci brought us together around 2010 to study generalized Möbius listing bands. Which are generalization of Möbius bands, the one-sided phenomena. And we have studied the cutting of these shapes. And what he will do today is very dear to me because a couple of years ago, I initiated not cordal knives, which cut through shapes, but also radial knives, which start from the center and cut to the outside. And that provided a problem, provided a solution to getting radial, let's say, Möbius phenomena, also for polygons with odd numbers like triangles and pentagons. So please, Ilya, floor is yours.
Good morning, my dear friends. This report presents the fundamental difference between cutting of radial, cutting of general Möbius listing body and chordal and radial method of cutting of this body. What is this Möbius body? Generalized Möbius listing body is following. This is a polygon, a prism, and after we make some rotation, and when these two ends of this prism coincide, then appear the Möbius listing body. We have possibility to represent analytically this type of geometrical figures, and we find classical Möbius strip. This is only when we rotated the line around the circle, but after we generalize this idea and we put some polygon, and after we make so many rotation, and we find a new absolute phenomena. Sometime after cutting appear one geometrical object. This is a classical Möbius phenomenon. Sometimes appear more than two bodies. For example, when we have a pentagon in the cross section of this general Möbius listing body, after chordal cutting appear four different geometrical objects. These different these different geometrical objects we design by different colors of this. Here appear four different bodies after one process of cutting. But now we want compare what is different is between chordal and radial cutting of this structure, geometrical structure. Won't work.
Yes, general remarks.
Yes. General remark. I should be noted that the set of radial section of the radial section of these GML bodies is quite poor, both quantitatively and in terms of the trace that appear on the radial cross-section after cutting. Since the radial section of the GML body is regular flat polygons, and wait, and are region relative on the center of symmetry. Therefore, all the trace both. This is the radial cutting over this center symmetry on vertex and center symmetry O and side of this polygon. Of this section do not intersect with each other, and so unlike Jordan section. So this subset of the sorry uh, uh, this is notation, the classic vertex by vertex, vertex by side, and side by side include the center of symmetry of this body. So, well, sorry. And now, in today's report is very important parameter. This is a G. This is a great common divisor between M, vertex of initial polygon, which are in the radial cross section of general Möbius listing body, and Mn, this is a number which coincide with the first vertex of this body after gluing. First variant, the G great common divisor is 0. This means we have classical toroidal bodies, or G coincide with the M. This is number of bodies. This means after the full rotation, this body make one full rotation around your basic line. So after Hordal cutting, which we studied in previous my speech, we cut appear classical two different geometric objects, and after cutting, wave cutting, this is two bodies. After VB, VS, and SS cutting, always appear two body and don't exist the Möbius phenomena. But very interesting difference are when we have a radial cut, which are introduced by my friend Johan. After radial cut, in the GML body appear only crack, vertex by center or center by side. And this is one geometry of body, also are one bodies, but we after finalizing the process of cutting, body have only crack on surface bicenter of this polygon. Second variant. Second variant include two different possibilities. This is a OV cutting. OV, this means radial section with center of vertex. We compare this with wave cutting. Here are two possibilities. If classically, if we have uh, classical wave cutting, vertex by vertex, and this number m divided by g, great common divisor, is even number, then these two possibility, these two cutting, OV and VV, coincide always. But if M is even number, G is even number, but M divided by G is an odd number, then after VV cutting appear only two geometrical figures, but after radial cutting appear one geometrical object which have a profile G plus 2. And we have also, always we have Möbius phenomenon. This here are illustration of this phenomenon. You see, when we have M is 12 number of vertex, if G is 1, this means M and M number of vertex, N is number of rotation, is have only great common divisor 1, then we have triangles, but G is 1 and G plus 2 is a triangle. But in other hand, after wave cuttings, when we have 12, but G is 4, then M M12 divided by G is 3. This means after this cutting appear two bodies. This is a difference between wave cuttings and radial cuttings. Second variance. If we have a polygon with odd numbers, then wave cuttings don't exist. Why? Always center of symmetry, we have not possibility, including by vertex, diagonal of this body with the odd number of vertices, never include the center symmetry. But now difference is very, very principal. Always from any M, when great common divisor less than M divided by 2, always exists after radial cutting appear plus 2, 1, and Möbius phenomenon always exists. And this situation only compare with the VS cutting in chordal section, but in this case we never have, we have only everything, we have everything, two bodies which here have two different colors. And Finally, this is when wave cutting, when we have M is even number and always and G is M half. Always in both situations, in horizontal cuttings and radial cuttings, always Möbius, classic Möbius phenomenon, always. Following version is comparison with S cutting and OS cutting. When we have an even number in the number of vertices and number M divided by G is also even number, then the new phenomenon don't exist. These both cases give identical results. Here always exists Möbius phenomenon with now these polygons in the cross section which appear after cutting this G plus 3. This is also similar results, but starting when we have M even number, G also even number, but M divided by G is odd number. Then for every different every from this cutting appear this G is even, so here we may present with number 2 new, appear 3 new cones, 2 different families. This is example, but after the radial cutting, every time preserve the Möbius phenomenon, but also we have the in the cross section. This is always we may calculate it. This is a G plus 3 gons after cutting. And when we have M is odd number, then so G also are odd number, and we may present this number with 2 new plus 1. So after classical Hordal cutting, appear 2 family of new trigons. When this is a triangle, initial body is triangle, then nu is 0, and so we have nu plus 3 is trigons. So when we have M is 9, nu are 1, and so we have 5 gons and the one family of organs and second families organs, new 3 and new 4. But after radial cutting, we always preserve the Möbius phenomena. So conclusion is following. Johann Hillis finds the subgroup of cutting, which name is radial cross section, and always after radial cross section, we have Möbius phenomena of these polygonal bodies, Riemann bodies. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Eliko. So congratulations for this result. Maybe for the audience, to put it in a bit more perspective, when looking for the general solution of cutting Möbius listing bodies, we found that if you use a chordal knife cutting through the shapes, that you only could get a Möbius phenomenon, one body after cutting, if the number of polygons was even, number of vertices. We could not get that for odd, like a pentagon. So by introducing the radial knife, which does not cut through, but starts from, say, the center, then we could get a Möbius phenomenon for all these cases, odd and even. Now, why is this important? This result of Ilya today is we know the results of cutting. We know what happens if we cut them with chordal and radial knives. But our main question will be, if we have a result of cutting, the inverse process, can we reconstruct the original body? And that's very important because this relates really to, let's say, heavy stuff that we are envisaging in physics. And we need to be able to prove if the results are unique. And if not unique, what can we do about it? So this result is really very important in our joint work. I would also like to point out that the whole problem was reduced to planar geometry. And that was a big step from the 3D cutting phenomena with a moving knife. And we could come to the solution because of cutting of bamboo, and the radial solution, the radial knife came to me when I looked at how to cut wood, how to saw planks from wood. So this real experience helped us in elucidating the problems. I would also like to remark that, yes, please, Ilya.
I one word. After cutting, also we may calculating the number of wheels, number of
The number of pieces that you get and the shape of
M divided by G. This is a very, very, very informative number. And second, G plus 3. And so we have the, now this is wheels around the toroidal line, which have mg multiplied by 2p periodical function. This everything is analytically proved. This is not fantastic things. This these parameters we may calculate it analytically. This is a very interesting, and the possibility to precise is proving with cyclic groups. With cyclic group, the form of these bodies which appear after cutting. Very, very difficult to prove the from chordal cutting, but now appear possibility to prove when we have radial knives. This is a very, very interesting. Not only easy, not only very important subgroup which preserve the Möbius phenomena, but also he have possibility to clearly understand the mathematically understanding the proving process. Thank you very much, and sorry from